Hey guys, when I made the SIG 1022 review, or 1911-22 review, said I'd do a disassembly video, so that's what this will be. The gun takes down quite a bit different from a normal 1911, so we'll go through those steps. So first, look at normal 1911, the slide partway back till the slide stop matches up with that small notch there. Push, then remove your slide catch, set that aside, and you see this pin is now exposed. Flip the gun over, push that pin out like so. You can see we've also got this Allen screw right here. Use one of the Allen keys provided with the gun. Unscrew that. Once you've got that out, you then can go ahead and just pull slide and barrel assembly right off the frame. And to finish getting this apart, like a normal 1911, push this guy in, twist the collar to the side, that stopper will come out. You then can remove your guide rod and recoil spring assembly. To get the barrel out, this collar then gets twisted the other way and then slides right out, and the barrel just comes right out at the end of the slide like so. So there you are. There's the gun, field stripped. We get it back together, just go the other direction. Barrel goes into the slide, collar goes in, gets rotated over. Recoil spring and guide rod then go in like so. The stopper here next goes in. Slide the collar center just like that, and the slide and barrel go back onto the frame, and just like we did before, just in reverse order. First the Allen screw goes back in there, tighten that down. Next we'll flip the gun over. That pin goes right back in there, and then just like a normal 1911, slide the slide back. So you see that small notch there, it matches up with the hole for the slide catch, and there you are, gun's back together. Not terribly difficult once you've been shown how to do it, and it gets easier every time you do it.